What's good, YouTube? It's another video with Call with Money, and I'm going to show you how to pick commands in a Discord Python bot. And for you guys, I'm gonna be doing giveaways and a lot more for this YouTube channel. So make sure y'all, it have to be a subscriber. So make sure y'all subscribe to the YouTube channel. Let's get right into it. I'm gonna show you guys how to pick commands in a Discord bot. Let's go. So our first step, if y'all don't know how to set up a Discord bot, is gonna be in my first video I posted on my YouTube channel, my first episode. But if y'all got that set, let's get right into it. Let's get these commands going. Our first command is going to be ping, a ping command. Okay, let's code that right now. Okay, code that. Alright, command. Since we're doing a command, okay. There. Ping CTX. No, wait. CT send F. We're gonna do Pong like that. Then for the Pong command, for the ping command, sorry guys. That. Then we go wrong symbol. There we go. Client. That. Wow. There we go. Space that. We're gonna do 1,000. Okay. Close it. There we go. Then we're gonna put MS. Close it out again. Boom. That's the first ping command. We're gonna test it right now, guys. We're gonna test it. Run it. Let me pull up my Discord. There we go. Python test. Python bot is now online. Okay, we're gonna set a command. Ping. Pong. There we go. See? Easy. Okay, that's the ping command. We're gonna do another command, okay? We're gonna do 8-ball. We're gonna do 8-ball. 8-ball command, okay? Client for new command. Client. Client. Let's see. Our alias is gonna be. Let me see. Alias. Hold on, guys. Hold on, my keyboard. There we go. Alias equal. And we're gonna have it. Wrong signal. We're gonna have it as 8-ball. Comma. No, we're just gonna do 8-ball. We're just gonna do 8-ball, okay? 8-ball. There we go. Make sure y'all close it. Okay. You can't put the same command, so we're gonna do underscore 8-ball, okay? CTX, comma, star, comma. Then since it's an 8-ball, we're gonna be asking them a question, so they can answer back to us, so they can respond back to us, okay? That easy. In the responses, we have to define. So it's gonna be called responses. Responses gonna equal C. Let's see what some responses we can do. It is certain. We're gonna do another response. So we're gonna put a comma. I'm gonna put a comma right there. I'm gonna do another one. Let me see. Without a doubt, we're gonna do another command. Let's see. We're gonna do another command. Let's see what command is. Yes, definitely. Oh my God, I spelled that wrong. Yes, definitely. Yep. Like that. Oh, I forgot to pick no signs. Don't forget to pick the sign, y'all. Have to pick the sign or the command won't work. Okay? Comma. And we're gonna do yes. Yes. Comma. No. Comma. Don't. I keep forgetting to put the comma. Oh, I keep messing up. There, don't. Don't. It's okay. It's okay, y'all. Don't count on it. Oh, I gotta put another. Okay. They detect that. Okay. No, we're just gonna put. No, we're gonna do it. We ain't gonna do it like that. We're gonna say count on it. Okay. That's easier. Count on it. Comma. And we're gonna do one more. We're gonna do my source. Should we put my source? Yeah. Sources say no. Okay. When you have your responses, close it. Oh, snap. Close it. That's for your responses. And at the bottom, so I'll put a wait. CTX send F question so I can respond back to you. What a response? Question. I'm gonna put a capital Q. Question. I'm gonna put question. Okay. Then we're gonna put. Okay, we put that. We're gonna put backslash. Hold on. Where's the N? Then we're gonna put answer. Okay. So I can answer back. Sure. Like that. Then we're gonna put that. Then we're gonna open this back up. Put random dot choice. Open that up. Then we're gonna put responses. Okay. That easy. Then that we gotta put that. Close it. Okay. That's all we gotta do. Random is not defined. Okay. We're gonna define random later. Okay. Let me see. There we go. We defined it. Put that at the top. Okay, let's start up our bot. I forgot to bring up my Discord. Let's start up the bot. Run. Bring it up. Okay. There we go. Alright, let's do 8-ball. Okay. Let's see what we're gonna do. 8-ball. Let's see what question we're gonna ask 8-ball. Let's see here. Okay, we're gonna ask them this. Will this YouTube video get a lot of views? No, wow. Very funny protection. I mean, not protection, Python. I said protection, Python. Wow, very clever. Let's ask him another question. Oh, yeah, you can also do the ping command too. Ping. Let's do another 8-ball question. Let's say, are you sure? Are you sure? Yes. Wow. That's crazy. But that's all for the video today, guys. I'm gonna show you the code again. I'm gonna stop the bot. Close this. Terminate total. Okay, that's all we gotta do, guys. That easy. That easy. 8 ball. These the responses. You can add more responses if you want to. Ping command. Ping command. That's all you gotta do. It's that easy. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure y'all like and subscribe to Code with Money. And another reminder, if y'all need a bot coded in Python, like y'all need to code a bot, y'all want me to, hit my DMs, add me on Discord. This is my name right here. Add me on Discord. I can accept friend requests. If y'all don't want to send me a friend request, send me a message saying I'm from YouTube and I would like a bot coded. Okay, and I will text you back. I will. But that's it for today's video, guys. I'm gonna show you the code again. That's it for today's video. It's Code with Money, and I'm signing out. Love you guys.